So R provides us with a function that is called sort. So this function allows us to easily sort vectors. However, if we are working with sorting data frames, we will have to use other function that we call the order function. So let us look at the example of sort function. So this function, we are going to enter the vector that we want to sort. Say we are looking into this data frame and we want to sort the win values, and we're going to output the first 10. So what sort function do is that this function by default it sorts the vector from low to high. So we're going to get the values being sorted from low to high. Okay, so we're going to get win values from the lowest win value to the highest win value, but only the first 10 observations, right? If we wanted to sort in descending order, we can specify, in this case, we can specify this additional argument, which we are going to call decreasing. And we're going to set this to true. So what this allows us, it allows us to sort the vector in descending order. Let's run this. So we observe that we now start with the highest values up to the lowest values. Okay,